It is handover day for this epic looking Storm Grey 565. Like all our 565, these things punch way above their weight. Perfectly at home, fishing the bays, but just as happy offshore catching marlin and swordfish. On this 565, David's gone for a really nice set of our deluxe grey seats. These match the hull, look really good. They're our seats we normally put in the 6 metre and the 233. We've got the fixed arm and the bolster in the front, which gives you a great driving position for standing up and a bit of extra seat when you want to sit down. On the driver's side, we've got it on a gas pedestal, and on the passenger side, we've got it on an esky frame, so you can slide a nice esky underneath the seat there. We've got all the tech you need here. We've got a Simrad 16-inch screen. This thing's got plenty of space to have a chart plotter, a sounder, split screen with your sonar. We've also got a FLIR camera, so at night time when David's running home from Rotto or looking out for cray pots, unbelievable bit of technology. Down the side here, we've got our autopilot as well as our Mercury gauge, which you can keep all your data on. Of course, both of those are completely compatible here, and we've got all this here on our on the side of our Simrad. We've got the autopilot, the audio, everything's tied in here through the NMEA network. On this side, we've got our Fusion stereo. We've got a pair of 6.5-inch speakers. This thing doesn't have a sub or anything else, and it absolutely pumps. We've got two options for our cabin door on our 565. This is our roller door with a key, which is great if you want to lock some gear in there. If you're keeping it in a dry berth or a marina like David is, it's really good to keep your fishing gear safe. We also do a soft option, which is a canvas cover, which just stops your stuff coming out. Down the back end, we've got a Mercury 225 V6. This thing absolutely flies, and we're getting about 1.6 kilometers per litre. So it's super economical with a 220 litre fuel tank. This thing's got a massive range. Our in-house fabrication team have made this awesome bracket in front of our rocket launcher. This bracket houses a FLIR thermal camera, which is just an incredible bit of gear if you're navigating at night in some fog, helps you spot cray pots, whales, great bit of safety gear. The 565 is such an incredible hull. We've got a typical Port Phillip Bay, sort of 10-15 knot sea breeze here. Just so comfortable, sitting on 40k an hour. We're doing 2.4 litres. We'll do this all day in this sea. Very, very soft riding, stable boat. Very capable for a 6-metre boat. This boat's finished. It's going to get a good clean, and it's going on a ship to Perth next week. David, it's been a pleasure building this 565 for you. I can't wait to see the adventures you and your family take this on. I promise we'll come over to the west for a trip soon.